When you invest in yourself, success will follow. Have you ever heard someone say, "Take care of yourself first"? That idea is true in many ways. One of the best ways to take care of yourself is to invest in yourself. But what does invest in yourself really mean? It doesn't always mean spending money. It means spending your time, energy, and effort to grow, learn, and improve. It means doing things today that will help you become a better, stronger, and wiser person in the future. When you invest in yourself, you give yourself the best chance to succeed in life, in your job, your relationships, your health, and your happiness. Let's explore what this idea really means and why success will follow when you make yourself your top priority. 3.1. What does it mean to invest in yourself? To invest in something means to give something now, like time, money, or effort, so you can get something better later. So, to invest in yourself means learning new skills, building good habits, taking care of your health, improving your mindset, setting goals and working on them, doing things that help you grow. It's like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunshine, and wait. After some time, it becomes a strong tree. You are the seed. When you care for yourself, you grow. 2. Why is investing in yourself so important? You are the most important person in your life. Everything you do starts with you, your thoughts, your choices, your actions. If you are strong, smart, kind, and healthy, then you can do anything. You can help others, build a good life, and make your dreams come true. Here's why it matters. No one else will do it for you. You are responsible for your future. It builds confidence. When you learn and grow, you believe in yourself more. It opens doors. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you get. It makes life better. You feel proud, happy, and in control. 3. Ways to invest in yourself. Every day, there are many simple ways you can invest in yourself. You don't need to be rich or famous. You just need to start small and be consistent. A. Learn something new. Read books. Watch educational videos. Take online courses. Go to school. Ask questions. Try new things. Even learning one new word in English every day is a step forward. B. Take care of your health. Eat healthy food. Drink water. Exercise a little every day. Get enough sleep. When your body is strong, your mind works better too. C. Improve your habits. Wake up early. Set goals. Use your time well. Avoid wasting time on things that don't help you. Turn off distractions. Stay focused. Small good habits make a big difference. D. Work on your mindset. Think positive. Be kind to yourself. Don't give up when things get hard. Talk to yourself like a good friend would. A strong mind leads to a strong life. E.T. Save money or use it wisely. You can invest in yourself by buying things that help you grow, like books, tools, or classes. But remember, investing in yourself is not always about money. It's mostly about how you spend your time and effort. Real examples. People who invested in themselves. Let's look at some real or common examples. A girl who wanted to speak English well. She listened to English podcasts every morning, practiced words every night, and spoke with confidence. After a year, she got a great job and helped her family. A boy who loved drawing. He watched free art videos online, practiced daily, and shared his drawings on social media. One day, someone saw his work and gave him a chance to design for a company. A mother who worked all day but studied at night. She was tired but wanted a better future. After 2 years, she earned a diploma and got a better paying job. These are everyday heroes. They didn't wait for luck. They invested in themselves, and success followed them. 5. What happens when you don't invest in yourself? If you don't care for yourself, your life can become harder. You may feel stuck. You may lose motivation. You may miss good chances. You may feel tired or unhappy. It's like not watering a plant. Slowly, it starts to dry out. But when you invest even a little each day, things get better. 6. Success will follow. But it takes time. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. Just like a tree doesn't grow in one day, your efforts need time to grow. But every day you invest in yourself, you move one step closer to success. The success could be a better job, a healthier body, a happier life, more respect, more peace in your heart. Even small changes today can bring big results tomorrow. 7. Encouragement. You are worth the investment. Some people think they are not smart enough, strong enough, or rich enough to succeed. But that's not true. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. You are worth the time, energy, and love. You deserve a bright future. So don't wait for someone else to push you. Be your own best friend. Tell yourself, I will grow, I will learn, I will succeed. Cheer tuan thu ti, sadinder 8. A simple plan to begin. Here is a small plan you can try starting today. Write one goal for the week. Example, learn 5 new English words. Spend 30 minutes each day on that goal. Say one kind thing to yourself each morning. Drink water and take a walk. Reflect every Sunday. What did you do well? What can you do better? Do this for 1 month and see the change. When you invest in yourself, success will follow. This part will focus on deeper benefits, long-term growth, how it helps others, and how investing in yourself can change your whole life step by step. When you invest in yourself, success will follow. This part will focus on deeper benefits, long-term growth, how it helps others, and how investing in yourself can change your whole life step by step. Let's explore what changes when you keep investing in yourself, slowly, patiently, and consistently. You build self-respect and confidence. Every time you learn something new, improve a skill, or take care of yourself, you tell your brain, I believe in me. This builds self-respect, the feeling that you are worthy, capable, and valuable. And when you respect yourself, you naturally grow more confident. You start to say, I can do this. I know I'm getting better. I don't give up easily. Confidence helps you speak up, try new things, and chase your dreams. That is one of the biggest signs that success is on its way. 2. You start getting opportunities. When you invest in yourself, maybe by learning English, studying computers, or improving your speaking skills, people notice. Imagine you speak better, and someone offers you a better job. You know how to use a computer, and your boss gives you more work and more pay. You study marketing, and you start your own online shop. These opportunities don't come by luck. They come when you are ready. And to be ready, you must prepare. That's what investing in yourself means. 3. You become more independent. When you learn more and do more for yourself, you don't need to wait for others to help you. You can solve problems, make decisions, manage your time, find answers. This independence gives you freedom and power. You don't have to rely on others all the time. You feel strong and proud. 4. You inspire other people. When you improve yourself, other people can see it. Your friends, your family, your co-workers, even strangers. They may ask, how did you get so confident? What's your secret to learning so fast? You've changed. You're more focused now. Then you can say, I started working on myself, a little each day. You can inspire others to grow too. And that is a beautiful kind of success, helping others find their own path by walking yours. 5. You learn how to keep going. Even when life is hard. Life is not always easy. You will have bad days. You will feel tired. You may feel like giving up sometimes. But when you invest in yourself, you become mentally stronger. You learn to keep going even when it's hard. You learn how to take breaks and keep trying, how to manage your emotions, how to solve problems with a calm mind. This is the kind of strength that brings real success, not just money, but peace, focus, and inner power. 6. You improve your relationships. When you take care of your own life, you can bring more love, peace, and support to others. Think about it. When you're healthy, you have more energy to help your family. When you're learning, you can teach others too. When you're happy, you can spread joy around you. 7. You stop comparing yourself to others. Many people feel unhappy because they compare themselves to others. She's smarter than me. He has more money. Their life is better. But when you focus on your own growth, you stop comparing. You say, I'm better than I was last year. I'm making progress, step by step. I am proud of my effort. This is real peace. And with peace comes focus. And with focus comes real, lasting success. 8. You learn to use time wisely. Time is one of the most valuable things in life. You can never get it back once it's gone. When you invest in yourself, you learn the value of waking up early, avoiding distractions, saying no to time-wasting habits, choosing books over gossip, choosing goals over fear. You start using your time on purpose, and over time, these good choices bring great results. You become a leader in your own life. You don't have to wait for someone to lead you. You become the leader of your own journey. That means you set your own goals. You decide your own path. You control your own actions. When you lead yourself, you feel more alive, more powerful, and more excited about your future. This is true success, living with purpose. 10. You learn to be patient. One of the hardest lessons in life is learning to wait for good things to happen. When you invest in yourself, like learning a language, saving money, or studying something new, it takes time. You won't see results in one day or 1 week, but after 1 month or 1 year, you'll be shocked at how far you've come. This teaches you patience, and that's a skill you can use forever. 11. You can break old limits. Maybe you once said, I'm not good at anything. I can't do math. I'm too shy. I'll never be successful. But when you invest in yourself, you break those limits. You prove to yourself that you can learn, change, grow, and succeed. Those old voices lose their power. You begin to say, I'm getting better. I can learn anything with time. I have something special to offer. 12. You create a life. You're proud of success is not just about money, fame, or being popular. Real success is about creating a life where you feel healthy, feel proud, help others, do work you enjoy, keep learning. All of that starts with one step: investing in yourself today. Every small action you take matters. A final thought: success doesn't happen to you. It grows from you. Just like a tree grows from a seed, your dreams grow from your habits, your choices, and your mindset. So ask yourself, what can I do today to help myself grow? What skill can I practice? What habit can I build? What can I read or write or try? When you make time for yourself, take care of your health, and keep learning, success will find you. It may not be fast, but it will be real. You are the best thing you can ever invest in. Make yourself a priority. When you invest in yourself, success will follow. That means when you take time to learn, grow, and care for yourself, life gives back. You don't need a lot of money. You just need to believe in yourself and take small steps every day. Remember, you are smart enough. You are strong enough. You are important. Start today. Your future self will thank you.